Hello, good afternoon. How are you today? Today we are going to start with our first class for English 6. Okay. Can you listen to me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Karen, thank you so much. Then we are going to start with our class, okay? Okay. Let's start. We are going to do it in a different way because the presentation is out. Can you listen to me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I have some problems with the internet and with the screen, sorry. Okay. Let's see then. Okay, let's start with our presentation today. We are going to talk about zero conditional, okay? The zero conditional is used to talk about things that are always true. For example, if you water your plants, they grow. Another use for this structure is to talk about scientific facts. If you heat it ice, it melts. The structure for the zero conditional, it is formed by two clauses. The first one is the if clause, and the second one is the main clause. In the if clause, we are going to establish a condition that is going to give us a result that it is built by the main clause. In the if clause, we are going to use the simple present, and in the main clause, we are going to use the simple present tense. That's why this is called the zero conditional. Another aspect that we need to take in count is that if we start our zero conditional with the word if at the beginning, we need to use a comma before to mention or write the main clause. Another form of do this structure is saying or writing at the first time the main clause and then the if clause. If we do it in this way, we don't need the comma. We write it as a whole sentence. Water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees. First, we mention the result and then the condition that establishes that result. We can have the negative form in any of these clauses. And remember that if we are talking about the simple present, we use the auxiliaries don't or doesn't according to our subject. In these examples, we have the use of don't with I. If I don't study, comma, I don't learn much. I don't learn much if I don't study. These are the two forms that we can construct this zero conditional. Let's check another example. With the third person, we have, if he doesn't do exercise, he gets fat. He gets fat if he doesn't do exercise. In the interrogative form, we can use the same structure, but in a different way. For example, if we start our conditional with the if clause, in the second part, it means the main clause, we are going to do or write it in question. If I do exercise, comma, do I lose weight? If we use the second form, we write it as a whole interrogative sentence. Do I lose weight if I do exercise? And remember that we have information questions where we use a question word. In this example, we have the word what. If you get lost in a city, comma, what do you do? What do you do if you get lost in a city? Let's check an exercise to see if we understand more or less the use of this zero conditional. A volunteer to answer the first exercise, please. A volunteer, please, to complete it. You use the information that we have in parentheses to complete the sentence.
If the apple you be rotten, I not eat it.
Okay, but remember that for the verb to be, we have three forms as three. Am, is, or are. Which of these do we use in this sentence? Can you repeat it, please, Astrid?
If the apple you wait a minute, please.
Yeah. Who can help us with the number one? Remember, you have to use the simple present.
A ver, creo que es así. If the apple you be rotten, I am not eat it.
If the apple is or are?
Is.
Is.
If
If the apple is rotten, I
not eat it.
don't or doesn't? Which
Don't.
one? Don't or doesn't?
Don't.
Don't. Okay, please do it, Astrid, again.
If the apple is rotten, I don't eat.
Yes, thank you. Remember, we are using the simple present. For the simple present, we have don't, doesn't as an auxiliary verb, and the verb be has three forms, am, is, are. Thank you so much, Astrid, for your participation and your help. Thank you. Number 2, please. A volunteer for number 2. No more volunteers. Astrid, can you try it again, please?
Plants are if they um
Okay, in the first part, Astrid, you cannot use the verb to be. You are going to use the verb in parentheses. Plants
grow
grow, exactly. Plants
if
grow if they,
get enough water.
exactly, okay. Remember, only if we have the third person, we add s, but in this case, no. Plants grow if they get enough water, okay? That's great, don't worry, thank you. Number 3, please, a volunteer. For number 3, is the simple present. No volunteers? Please, Astrid, can you try it?
Yes, butter is melt if you heat it.
Okay, but in the first part, you have the third person. You need to add s to the verb. Please do it, adding s to the verb.
Can you repeat, please?
You need to add an s to the first part of your sentence with butter. In the second part is correct.
Butter is melt
Sm
if you heat it.
Butter melts,
Butter
melts
melt.
with s, melts if you heat
Melt.
it. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
If you heat it, melts, okay, because we have their person, butter. It melts, okay? Then number 4, please. It's very easy because it's the same as the number 2.
If you mix red and white, you get pink.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Astrid. Excellent. If you mix red and white, you get pink. Okay. Let's see the number 5. In the number 5, you have the third person. With the third person, you need to add an S.
Uh, if he eats junk food, he get fat.
Gets, he gets fat.
Gets fat.
Okay. Yes. If he eats excellent junk food, he gets fat. Yes, thank you. Yes, you're right. Okay, number 6. Here we have a negative part in this sentence. Remember that you have to use the auxiliary verb don't or doesn't.
If she don't study for her exam, she fail it.
If she doesn't, remember for the third person, doesn't. It doesn't, he doesn't, she doesn't. Study for her exam, she fails because we are talking about their person again, fails it. Thanks a lot. Okay, number 7 is similar to this number 6, but
If
we,
she drinks too much coffee, she doesn't sleep well.
yes, Daniela, thank you. Thanks for your help. Thank you, yes. If she drinks too much coffee, she doesn't sleep well. Yes, thank you, Daniela. Thanks a lot. Okay, number 8, please.
If I have a headache, I stays at home.
Yes, I stay at home. Remember, only stays with when we have the third person, he, she, or it. If I have a headache, I stay at home. Okay. Number 9. Thank you again, Daniela. Number 9, please.
Sería if I have, no, esa no es.
No, number 9, Shadani.
If it be hot, I sweat a lot.
Sweat a lot, it's okay. But remember that for the verb be, we have am, is, are. In this case, what do you use? Am, is, or are? Instead of be.
Sería
If it,
if it is.
exactly. If it is, okay, can you do it using is and sweat in the second part, please, Shadani? Can you repeat it?
If it is hot, I sweat a lot.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Shadani. Thanks for your participation. Okay, if it is hot, I sweat a lot. And the last one, please, number 10. Number 10, please. Another volunteer for number 10. It's similar to number 8.
You get wet if you stay in the rain.
Yes, Daniela, thank you. Okay, if you get wet, you stay in the rain. Yes, thank you so much. Okay. Then, as you see in the second conditional, we are going to use the simple present tense in both parts of this structure. Do you have any doubt, comment? No doubts, comments? No? Questions? Okay. Then thank you so much for your attendance, your interest, and your participation in this class. Okay. See you next week. Don't forget to write your name and your group in the chat box, please. See you. Bye-bye.
See you, teacher.
See you, Astrid. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher. See you.
You're welcome. See you, Daniela.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Shadani. Lisette, can I help you? Lisette, ¿la puedo apoyar en algo? ¿Asesorar? Lisette, le informo que voy a cerrar el aula virtual, please.